Today we're going to replace the HVAC blower motor on this 2006 Chevy Impala. Now we've already removed the lower hush panel. This is on the passenger side front footwell of the vehicle. We've removed the plastic cover here. There were just 3 pins holding it in place, plastic pins. We were able to release those and access the blower motor here. I've already also gone ahead and replaced the blower motor resistor. Now these things need to be replaced in pairs. That resistor also came with a new harness, and so we're going to wire this up. It comes with a new connector to the blower motor itself as well as to the resistor, and then there's a couple of wires we have to splice in to the main harness here. So we've already got one part of it done. You can see I've already disconnected the electrical connector for the blower motor here. Now there's just a couple of these bolts here holding this in place. So I'm going to take my 1/4-inch ratchet, an extension and a swivel socket, and we will quickly remove these 3 bolts, drop the blower motor out, and be ready to install our new one. Great, we've got the 3 bolts out, and again the electrical connector is out. So just like that, we can remove our old blower motor. Set that aside. You know, and again, it's important to look up in here, make sure it's nice and clean. There's no mouse nest or anything or any water contamination before we install our new unit. Very important to do. Then I'm going to take my new blower motor. I will align it properly here and get it lined up in the tabs. As I might have to rotate it here a little bit, but I'll get it lined up. I'll install my bolts and complete the job. Okay, now you can see we've got our new blower motor in here. We've already done the resistor. We've got our new connector in place. I'm going to put that hush panel up in here and again verify that it operates smoothly in all speeds, and we're ready to go. Just like that, we've replaced the blower motor in this 2006 Chevy Impala.